guys, what is up? It's McGuy. Today I'm not here with a tutorial for you guys, but instead a quick update video about a new way for you guys to communicate with me and for us to have a community. And this is through an app called Discord. So if you have it, I really hope that you join my server, and it has a bunch of different channels and you guys can interact with each other. It's gonna be super fun there, and I really hope that you guys join it. Hopefully we can hit 50 users by the end of the month, which would be awesome. So if you have a Discord account, or if you don't, sign up for one and join it by clicking the link in the description below. It should be the first link. So yeah, just a quick video about that, and you guys can leave suggestions there for future tutorials and more things like that. Anyways, thanks for listening, and I hope you join the Discord server. Peace.